Okay, this is just an overview of the 3 boxes and the work that was done. Put new springs in the keys so that they will shoot the billet into the box. I cleaned all the interior mechanisms on this and unstuck the trap doors in these, and I will show you how to open them. Okay, so that's one. Same thing on this one. Okay, so now I want to demonstrate to you how to open the door. You need these 2 little tools, and this will go in here like this, and this one goes here, and there'll be 1 little set of tools for each box. And when you push it in, it will unlock the box. You need to have 1 on each side, and you push it either way. Okay, so that's the setup. Your box is closed. Of course, it'll be locked. Yeah. And also, I did manage to find matching locks for the 2 missing locks. So you have all the right manufacturer locks. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you unlock your trapdoors and you put them in and you close the boxes. And you use. Okay, so now you're going to, as part of the setup, you're going to use your ungimmicked key, and this is the new ungimmicked key that I made. So you want to close the box and lock it. Same thing with this one. Close the box and lock it. Sometimes you have to use the key to lock it, but these are locking by themselves. That's good. And the same thing here. Okay, this one's a little tight. I'm going to have to cut this one down. Okay, but let's close the box for now. Okay, so now the predictions are set in the boxes. The next thing you're going to do is load your keys. And this is the size of the billet. And I will send you some samples of that. And the way you roll this billet, okay, is, and load the key, you will take the billet, put your message on it, fold it in half, and then around a round object, any round object, you will roll it. I've got a few rolled here, so I just want to show you this one, okay? And you just want to keep rolling it, and until you get it together. Now this one, I rushed it a little bit, but I'll use the right one. So what you wind up with is a real small billet, and roll it in your fingers to get it very tight, like that. Okay, and now that goes into your gimmick key. Now this is the key, the gimmick key that I made. This key, a little different than the others because I found some things here that these keys are not repairable, and there's all kind of mechanisms in here that run this little door. So if they should break inside, then they're repairable. So I made this one so that this is replaceable and it can come out. So what you do is you open it up like that. You take your billet, place it inside, and very carefully close the door. Make sure it's down in there. Now you will notice that the billet stays nice and flush inside. So that's one. Second one, you're going to take a billet, and sometimes they have to be trimmed a little bit, and I'll show you that. So now here's your billet. Now you're going to roll it until it gets nice and tight. It has to be real tight and stiff. Of course, That's what helps to close that door. This one just doesn't want to do it. Okay, now and you just keep rolling it until it tightens up, like so. Then you take your key, this is one of the original keys, and you place the billet in. And close the door. Now, let me see if this is, you gotta get it in there and close the door. Oops. Okay, this one has to get a little bit of trim off it. And you trim it off the open side, not the closed side, so you don't want to, oops, where did I put that scissor?
Okay.
Okay, so this is the older key. And you can see this is worn out, so it doesn't, the spring tension wants to push the bullet out, so it keeps that way. But you can push it together and it will hold. So you want to be careful of that. And that's what I was talking about. That spring is wearing out, so what's happened is, you know, it doesn't have enough power to withstand the big spring, and so it wants to open up. But it still works, and all you have to do is push that in. This one isn't as bad, but you can see it. So you just want to push it in like that. There's a little spring mechanism in here that keeps this door closed. And as I said, this one, the new one, I made this so that this is replaceable, and if the spring tension gets a little off on it, the spring tension can be adjusted. Okay, so now that's your setup, each key, and there's your key there. All right, so the only thing to do is when you put it in, you're going to put the key in, turn it slightly clockwise, and that will unlock the box. And the box is now locked. And the billet is inside. So now we'll do this one. We'll unlock the box. Take that out. Whoops, that one didn't lock that time. I'm going to have to do that one again. Okay, let's do the last one first. I'll unlock the box. Take the key out, and that one is locked. Put the key, it's inside. Now, that should, sometimes when you take it out, you may want to hold it a little bit this way to lock it. But this one, let me load it in again and try this again. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
A little bit locked. Okay, now we're going to try to do this again. Now, it may just be that needs a little lubrication, but I'm not going to send it to you. I mean, these will be ready to go. It's just a little lubrication that's needed on that. So you want to unlock it. Oh, unlock the box. It's still not dropped, going all the way. Okay. I'm going to have to work on this one a little bit, but I will get all of these loading the way they're supposed to. Okay, thank you. Okay, I want to explain to you where this one, it did not lock the box, and the reason for that is the billet was a little bit too short. It has to go all the way down and completely compress the spring, and there was a short billet in there. So I replaced that with a longer one, and we're going to show that to you again. Hang on one second, let me load that. Okay. So you can see it here. And now we're going to open it like that. And now you will see that the door is locked, but the length of the billet is very critical. The slightest shorter piece, so you might want to roll them a little longer and cut them off, but be sure that they completely compress that spring in the key, and you'd be okay.